Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to deploy this weather application on github.com. So here I'll click left click and click on reveal in file explorer, right? So these three files which we have created, index.html file, script.js file and style.css file. Now we're going to deploy these three files on github.com. So we'll come back to our browser and we'll search for GitHub, right? And then we're going to click on this github.com. If you don't have your account on github.com, you need to click on this sign up button, and then you need to enter your email. After entering your email, it will ask for some details, and after entering those details, your GitHub account will be created. So my account is already created, so I'm not going to create my account. So I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to log in into my GitHub account. So once your account will be created, you will be redirected to this GitHub account, right? And then after that, you need to click on this create new repository button, right? And you need to give your repository name. So here I'll write weather app. Yes, this weather app is available, and here I will write weather application HTML, CSS and JavaScript, right? Also we have used open weather, right? So we can mention it over here in the description, right? And we're going to set this repository as public, and we can add one readme file as well. And then we're going to click on this create repository. Now after this, we need to click on this add file, and we need to click on this upload files, right? Now here it is saying that drag files here to add them to your repository or choose your files. So I'll come back to my folder, and then I'm going to select all the three files, and then I'm going to drop this over here, right? So here you can see that all the three files has now been added to my repository. And then in the commit changes, I'll need to enter one message. So I write file upload, right? And then I'm going to click on this commit changes. Here you can see that it is processing our files. And then after that, I'll click on the settings, and then under the code and automation, there is one pages, right? So I'm going to click on this pages, and then in the branch, I'm going to select my branch. So here you can see that we have only two branches. Oh, only one branch, that is one main, and the second one is none. So here you can see that we have only one branch, and we're going to select this branch, main branch, and then we're going to click on this save button, right? Now this will take some time, right? So let me come back to my weather app. And then I'm going to check my pages section. So it is still taking time. Here you can see that in the deployment, you can see that it is showing that deployment in progress. So it is deploying your weather application. This will take some time. Once done, this will come in green color, right? And the deployment will be successful. So this will not take much time. I guess it will take, yeah, you can see that it has deployed successfully, right? So if you can click on this GitHub Pages and just a second. Yes, so here you can see that. Let me go back. Here you can see that on clicking over here, you will be redirected to your application. So here you can enter your city name, right? It is showing 27 degrees Celsius. You can check for Paris or any city, right? Here you can see that it is drizzling right now. Temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. And here you can see that it is your weather application has deployed successfully. You can see the URL coursebysit.github.io/weather app, right? Also, there is one more way you can check your deployment. You can click on this settings button, and under code and automation you can click on pages, and here you can see that your site is live at https coursebysit.github.io weather app, right? You can click on this and it will redirect it to this same page, right? You can check here also. I'm checking for Delhi, let's say. Here you can see that the temperature is showing 29 degrees Celsius, right? So thank you. That's all for this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it, so that you can get the latest update from this channel and you can also get more projects like this. Thank you. That's all.